Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS Grid tutorial on freeCodeCamp. And we're going to use the different CSS Grid units to change the size of the columns and rows. So these are some of the other, besides absolute and relative units such as pixels and EM to adjust the size of the columns and width, there's these other units of measurements as well. FR sets the column or row to a fraction of the available space. So it's just a fraction. And in this example, we'll look at it. So this one has 5 columns, and whatever's left over between all of this takes 2/3 of what's left over, and one takes 1/3 of whatever is left over. That's how they best describe the fraction. The auto, this sets automatically depending on the width or height of the content you have inside of it, the item. Percent adjust the column or row to the percent width of its container. So 10%, this column is 10% of the container. So for this exercise, we want to make a grid with 3 columns whose widths are as follows: 1 fraction, 100 pixels, and 2 FRs. So this is going to take 100 pixels, and whatever is left of the row, this will take 1/3 of it, and this will take 2/3 of it. So we can change this. So first we want to do 1 FR, and then next we want to do 100 pixels, and next we want to do FR. So we'll have 3 columns in the first, and 2 rows with the leftover items. And we see this is 100 pixels, this is 1/3, and this is 2/3 of the remaining. And that's it. Thank you so much.